everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today is Sculpture Day. I know, the day we've all been waiting for. So today I'm going to be challenging you with some different prompts that all has to do with texture and under the sea. So we're going to be doing some sea life, some sea animals that all have texture. So I'm going to be challenging you all to use your sculpture materials to add some texture, maybe some things that are smooth, some things that are bumpy, to show that texture in your sculptures today. Now, you can use any art tool that you have for creating your sculptures, but I'm going to quickly show you what I have to work with today. So I have 2 containers of Play-Doh, different colors. They're just small containers. These will work great. I also have some Popsicle sticks, right? These are great for adding texture. You can draw with them. You can cut with them. You can also use these to scoop out of the container. Sometimes I have a hard time getting the Play-Doh out with my fingers, so I like to use that as a tool. We also have some straws today. Plastic, paper work just fine. The next time you get takeout, save your straw, rinse it out, dry it out, and you can use it for sculptures. And last but not least are Wikki Stix. If you haven't used Wikki Stix before, they're like strings that have wax on them and they're reusable. So it's a great art tool for you to have on hand because you can use them over and over again. Now again, if you do not have the same materials that I have, that's okay. Go ahead and grab whatever sculpture materials you have at home, maybe some recyclables, maybe some aluminum foil, and let's go ahead and get started with our sculpture day. it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.